Introducing LTA Solutions, providing access to new markets and the creation of innovative business opportunities. LuffShips.com represents a design engineering business, LTA Solutions, formed for new lighter-than-air LTA aircraft, LuffShips, intended to fulfill operators' needs internationally without so much cost and bother of traditional aerostats, balloons, free-floating or tethered, and airships, dirigible LTA aircraft. We also are mindful of commerce and the need for a networked infrastructure suitable against adverse weather, so have compatible ground facilities and other designs, shelters, with a strategy for their development in harmonious ways minimising disturbance. Our aspirations are to enable aerial services in compatible ways anywhere, only dreamt about today, such as aerial cranes with precise control, enabling construction for seriously heavy outsized payloads. Air transport using natural conveyance methods, winds when possible, and means for power, e.g. solar and fuel cells that harness rather than harm the atmosphere. Aerial cruises for unhindered joy of air travel and the natural wonders of our world. Floating aerial platforms with exceptional endurance, weeks, months, for various duties. Ground infrastructure wherever needed that easily fits with and protects the environment. To enable these possibilities, we work with aircraft developers, producers, operators, etc. who know the business, and the airworthiness authorities in structured ways from the ground up. Summary. As LTA aircraft engineers with significant airship design experience since circa 1980, we understand the issues concerning their development and operation. We also understand their history, where it's clear the industry needs better ways for success. In addition, as inventors, innovators with know-how, we want to help create better ways for people to live. Embracing people with verve and fresh ideas for new technology is our way, making a better future. Indeed, our aim is for state-of-the-art digital capability to provide Industry 4.0 solutions. From consideration of past doings, we have a strategy for the development of new designs that scale up from small projects when the time's right to provide bigger sizes. We therefore have numerous projects that are readily doable, fun, and enable small operators to set up. As we and the operators grow, bigger, more complex projects already prepared will go ahead. We will also enable new technology, like rapid response vectored thrust, necessary for success. Our plan is to grow steadily in stages, developing capability leading to LTA aircraft able to serve serious needs currently very difficult to otherwise fulfill without huge cost, such as humanitarian aid, providing people in urgent need of supplies who are starving, freezing, and/or suffering from the circumstances they find themselves in, out of reach by other ways. Monitoring and surveillance, watching over vast areas with very long endurance and interactive capability to provide timely help when needed, plus to call in and work with other support services. Industrial services, working like helicopters practically anywhere with positional accuracy, but without the noise and the fuel consumption, for seriously heavy lift and transport operations. To fulfill these purposes, we have a range of LuffShip designs, needing finance, political and public support for development. We thus seek subscribers interested in their success. Offerings. Instead of just more of the same, we offer new types with enhanced capabilities, particularly omnidirectional LuffShips that enable zero to slow airspeed, although enough to make headway against normal winds. Very long endurance, days or weeks and potentially months underway. Vertical ascent-descent, with seriously heavy loads and associated geostationary positioning with controllable heading, able to lift and place them. Low noise, vibration, emissions and environmental impact. Unobstructed viewing or scanning all around for various purposes. Reliability with low acquisition, operating and maintenance costs. plus long service life with high utilization. Little need for associated ground infrastructure, no runways, an ability to access small ground locations in difficult territorial regions. Goals: 1. Become profitable, securing the business, with readily doable projects including inflatable structures, LTA drones and captured aerostats, each enabling particular aspects and new technology. They also are to develop team skills and cooperation with suppliers, plus gain airworthiness approvals necessary for later manned aircraft developments, and to cultivate relationships with operators who will need training and supply. 2. Develop, certify and enable a series of bigger LuffShips, able to be manned following our strategy for growth under progressive balloon, normal and commuter category certification rules, leading to transport category types for serious aerial purposes. 3. Provide operators with ways to set up and extend their aerial services at each stage, between a network of bases that they arrange, internationally, installing infrastructure needed for bigger types. 4. Develop transport category LuffShips when the circumstances allow. Objectives: attain Goal 1 within a 2-year period, leveraging things already undertaken. Achieve Goal 2 within a further 5 years, after which the technology should be accepted to follow through for Goal 4. Work with propeller control and power system specialists to develop and provide particular system capabilities desired, including cycloidal propellers, drone-style control systems, replenishable electrical power generation, and efficient Tesla-style drive systems. Provide technical support services for developers, producers, suppliers and operators and people who want reliable LTA solutions. Benefits: by way of example, operators will benefit from affordable LuffShips with better deployment, suiting their needs, involving fewer crew and easier ways to securely manage their assets compared with traditional airships. Local communities will benefit from employment opportunities and the aerial services enabled, facilitating transport and trade, especially people in isolated places with poor infrastructure. National and aerial services organizations will benefit from efficient ways to provide persistent coverage over large regions, otherwise difficult to consistently watch over. General industry, agriculture, forestry, natural resource providers, etc. will benefit from point-to-point ways for delivery and extraction directly. Investors will benefit from business arrangements with focus on income at every stage. Investment. Investment in LuffShip proposals is one of the only ways for sustainable, affordable aerial services that don't adversely pollute our atmosphere or waste finite resources, enabling better ways for our children's future. Contact. To see more about our projects and perhaps read associated documents available, see the website www.loveships.com. For further information about the exciting possibilities offered, or to register support for our goals, either call us on 0049 354 774969. That's 0049 354 774969. Or send an email to info@lta-solutions.com. We hope you enjoyed learning about us and would like to become a subscriber, receiving quarterly newsletters with interesting information about LTA aircraft and to follow our progress.